One of my fans from Germany sent me a voice note. For the first time in my life, this is the first time that somebody will send me a voice note, and then I'm going to shed tears. Original tears came out from my eyes. It was the very first time in my life that one of my fans, I have been getting a lot of messages from my fans, the ones that are in Europe, in Asian continent and the rest of them, because my videos travel far and wide. But this is the first time that somebody will send me a voice note, and then I am going to sit down for like 30 minutes. I am crying. Very emotional story. Now, this is a story that I want you to sit down, settle down, and sit down and hear this story and tell me if it is not going to pain you. First of all, you have to share this video. This is not a video that you will just watch and scroll. You have to first of all share this video and follow my page. You have to follow this page. Make sure you click the follow button. And if you finish watching this video, share the video, because it is a very emotional story I'm about to let you all know now. A fan of mine sent me a voice note from Germany telling me that 12 years ago, he traveled to Germany. First of all, he went to Morocco, tried to travel through the water to enter Spain. From Spain, he can find his way. But from Morocco, it didn't work out. He came back to Nigeria. I don't want to go into details of what he passed through in Morocco, the racial abuse he passed through in Morocco. He now tried again from Nigeria. He now went back to Libya to see if the route in Libya is easier for him to travel. He almost got into slave trade in Libya. Almost. He came back to Nigeria. God so kind, he applied for a visa to Germany. And then he got the visa. That was 12 years ago. He went to Germany with a legit visa. Now he went to Germany. The first job he got in Germany, I don't want to still go into details with how he managed to get accommodation in Germany. Fast forward, he now got a job in Germany. His first job was he was working in a mortuary. His job was to wash the dead bodies. Sorry to use that language, but that is exactly how he told me. And he asked me to tell you the story. Now, he was washing dead bodies in Germany, working for almost 18 hours just to survive. At some point, he was even getting nightmares. He said when he's sleeping, he used to see dead body in his dream. He used to have the hallucination like there is dead body around him when he's living in his house. Now, he was doing that job because he knows the family he came from. He is a breadwinner of the family. He has a mother and a father, a brother and sisters to take care of. He don't want his sisters to go and be doing a shower, to sell their body. So he was trying to meet up in Germany so he can take care of his family. And the next thing, he started sending money to his family so that they can buy a land and build a house so that they will stop paying house rent. For 10 years, this guy was sending money to his family for his family to build a house. First of all, buy a land and then build a house. So after working in the mortuary, he said at some point he was not comfortable working in the mortuary because of the kind of dream he's having. And he was very uncomfortable with the work. He now got another job as a gardener, working under the sun, trying to clean people's houses. What he does is that most people in Europe, they like to have grasses in their house, flowers and the rest of them. So his job was to go and clear the flowers, treat the flowers, do them in a way that it will be beautiful, and they will pay him some euros. That was how he was getting money, and he was sending home. If he get 200 euro, he will send 150 home. He will use 50 to hold himself so that they can continue the building project according to him. Fast forward 10 years later, This guy went to Nigeria to visit. Okay, I've been working in Europe for 10 years. He has done several jobs. Even how he tried to get paper to become to get resident permit in Germany. He started clean, and he got married to an old woman. He will clean her sheet, cleans the house, take care of the woman, because the woman is even a cripple. Sit down on the wheelchair, he will be the one to push the woman and everything. Clean her sheet, take her bath, everything. He was taking care of the woman. For 10 years, he did all several kinds of things just to make sure that at least let me see what I did. Let me build a house in Nigeria. Fast forward 10 years later, after suffering in Europe, okay, let me go to Nigeria and see what my family has done with the money I've been sending to them. Getting to Nigeria, not even a piece of land, in fact, not even the small area that I'm sitting, did the family even get. All the money this guy has been sending for 10 years, they eat the money. What did they usually do? Nothing. They are still in the same place he left them. The same spot he left them. This is wickedness. Wickedness in the highest order. How can somebody go out of the country to go and hustle to make a better life for you, and all you are doing is eat his sweat? Eat his sweat for 10 years. You couldn't even buy a land. Okay, let us say you cannot even build a house. You eat the money, you can't even buy a land. Let this man come back and at least see what he is suffering for 10 years. It is very bad. It's like they carve Nigeria as a country and install wickedness in this country. Both the government and the people inside the people are even more wicked than the government. I can't believe that somebody go to another country to suffer, send you money, your family, your blood, to buy a land and build a house. All you did was eat the money, nothing to show for it. The guy was angry. He went back to Germany and he swore with his life that he will never come back to Nigeria. Immediately he got to Germany, he blocked the father, he blocked the mother, he blocked his two younger brothers, his 3 sisters, he blocked them. That is how the guy have not spoken to them for 2 years now. And the guy said, this is his story that he's telling me, and he wants me to do a video because there are so many people in Europe that are going through this kind of thing, that they will come to Europe and they will be sending money to their family to help them to see how they can even transform the life of the family. But the family don't want to transform their own life. It is very bad. If you are in Europe and you are facing this kind of situation, or you are facing any kind of situation, there are many of you. Feel free, go in, send me a message on WhatsApp. If you cannot type, send me a voice note. Let me hear your story. I can do a video of this because I don't like, if there's something I don't like people that are wicked. I don't like ungrateful people. I don't like people that are wicked. It is wickedness that will make somebody to send you money for 10 years and you are eating the money. It's not like your life became better. You still remain where you are. All the money he sent to you, you eat the money and you are still there. The guy was even telling me that if for example, he come and he meets that their life is even better and they didn't buy the land or build the house, he will not be angry. But the same way he left them is the same way he came back and met them. That means all the suffer he suffered in Europe just to make their life better, they made it useless for him. I am heartbroken. I am even still begging him to forgive his family. He said he will never forgive his family. If you know you are among the people that your family is in Europe or America or anywhere, and they are sending you money to better the life of your family, and you are eating the money, it will never be well with you. People will eat your own sweat. It is very bad. Do you think that Nigerians that go abroad to go and hustle, they plan to go abroad? They don't plan to go abroad. It's just to make a better life for you that is their family. And you are not making anything better for yourself. They are struggling for the money, giving you, and you are eating the money. I am heartbroken. So many people are passing through this situation, and I want you to share this video. This is not a video you watch and leave it. Share this video follow my page, because as I drop this video, there are people that are going to come to my WhatsApp and send me a message. Send me a message, follow this page, share this video. Let this video go and people will see the wickedness that families are doing to their fellow family. Even as I'm doing this video now, talking about what that guy faced in Germany and what the family did to him in Nigeria, some people will watch this video and say, Malam Shaibu don't have sense. I agree, I don't have sense. I don't have sense. But if you watch this video very well, you know that I'm making sense. I am the spice creator. I always say it's that Buhari don't know what he's doing. That's why when he left, he didn't give me OON spice creator. If you know what he's doing, he will give me spice OON. Google me if you like. Don't Google me, that is your business. Thank you.